Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first before we start. My name is Dimas Fariz and I'm from Elementary 1 in intensive English class. So now I'm going to tell you about how to download and install or reinstall Microsoft 365 or Office 2021 on a PC or Mac. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your PC or Mac meets the system requirements, right? If you are installing Office, you have already redeemed a product key, or you are installing Office at work or school and now you have a license. Then go to the session, sign in to download and install Office. However, if this is the first time you are installing Office, you may have some pre-installation steps to do first. And then let's jump to the session first. The first session. You can see the first session is sign in to download and install Office. The first session, you may have to sign in to download Office. And this is the steps. There are some steps. The first steps is go to www.office.com. And if you're not already signed in, select sign in. And this is the note. You may see if you cannot really understand what I say. And the second steps, sign in with the account you associated with this version of Office. This account can be a Microsoft account or work or school account. After signing in, follow the steps that match the type of account you sign in with. For example, you sign in with a Microsoft account. From the Office homepage, select Install Office. This is the following instruction picture. Select Install or depending on your version, Install Office. From the homepage, select Install Office. If you set a different start page, go to aka.ms/office install. And select Office 365 apps to begin the installation. The 64-bit version is installed. The 64-bit version is installed by default unless Office detects you already have a 32-bit version of Office or a standalone Office app such as Project or Visio that you've installed. In this case, the 32-bit version of Office will be installed instead. To change from a 32-bit version to a 64-bit version or vice versa, you need to uninstall Office first, including any standalone Office apps you have such as Project Official. Once the uninstall is complete, sign in again to www.office.com and select the other install options. Choose the language and version you want, like 64 or 32-bit, and then select install. You can see the following instruction picture for the notes. This completes the download of Office to your device. To complete the installations, follow the prompts in the install Office section below. Now we go to installation session. Depending on your browser, select Run in Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Set up in Chrome or save file in Firefox. If you see the user account control prompt that says, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Then you can select yes. Then the install will begin. Now you can see the Following instruction picture of installing Office. For the notes is we will be done in just a moment. So your install is finished. When you see the press, you're all set. Office is installed now. And an animation plays to show you where to find Office applications on your computer. Select close. So that's all from me about how to Microsoft download and install Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Office on a PC or a Mac. So that's it, guys. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.